So we have managed to work out an approximate volume for one biscuit, and we got what? So we got 35,168. If we take our pi to be this, so this is just an approximate number, so 35,168 millimeter cubed, right? So we have to be very, very careful here. So calculate the volume of 50 biscuits. That's the second part. So obviously for 50 biscuits, we would say that volume is what we got as the answer multiplied by 50. So we'd say that this times 50, then we get 1,758,400, right? 1,758,400 millimeter cubed. We are fine with that. So here's the thing. To answer the last question, which is very tricky, we have to compare. Would a container with a volume of 700 cube centimeter hold the biscuits? So we want to know that will this 50 biscuit fit in this container, right? So what we can do, yes?
You'll have to convert that millimeter to centimeter.
Correct. That's exactly what we have to do first. So let's convert the volume of a container. So we'd have a volume of a container 700. So now do you see why we started the lesson with the conversion part? So the King Harry technique, we are converting from centi to milli. And according to King Harry, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So which means that would say that 700 times 10 millimeter. Then we cube this. Then what are we gonna get? We've got 700 times, let me use this one, times 10 to the exponent of 3. Okay, so we get what?
700,000 centimeters.
700,000. We have now changed this to what? We have to be careful. We have now changed this to milli. It's no longer in centi. It's now in milli, right?
Oh, we changed the 700 to
millimeter cubed. Okay. So
would you take the biggest number and change it to the smallest one?
Anyhow, you would you would still get the same answer. So right now we are working with what? We've decided that since we started with milli, let's continue with milli. And it's very convenient that centimeters are bigger than millimeters. So we rather work with millimeters so that we can easily compare what we got, right? Compare with the previous answer. So we got 700,000 millimeter cubed. So let's compare this two. This is the volume of the 50 biscuits, and this is the volume of a container. Now, would a container with this amount of volume hold the biscuits? Yes or no?
Yeah, it would.
It would. How much capacity does the container have?
700,000.
And what is the volume of 50 cookies?
But that cookie is in a million.
Yeah. So which one is bigger than the other?
The cookie is bigger than the box.
So will the box or the container hold these biscuits?
No.
No, because what? The volume of the cookies, right? So we've got the volume of the cookies. It's actually bigger than the volume of what?
Of the box.
Of the box, of the container. So they won't hold, right?